The Australian government is continuing to support Laos in achieving the Sustainable Development Goals by providing Australian volunteers with specific skills and abilities to share lessons and work experience with public sector employees in Laos. According to Deputy Minister of Planning and Investment, Madame Phornvan Uttawong, the government is placing a greater emphasis on human resource development. This has been incorporated into the ninth five-year National Socioeconomic Development Plan for 2021 to 2025. A memorandum of subsidiary arrangements on future support through the Australian Volunteers Program was signed on Wednesday between Deputy Minister of Planning and Investment, Mrs. Phornvan Uttawong, and Ambassador of Australia to Laos, Mr. Paul Kelly. So far, more than 650 Australian volunteers have worked with government organizations in Laos. The duration of their contracts varies and includes 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, and 2-year stints. Australian volunteers are stationed at both the central and local levels to support the needs of various sectors of government, such as education, health, agriculture, and energy. The Australian Volunteers Program plays an important role in strengthening relations and mutual understanding between Laos and Australia, especially in the communities where volunteers work, such as Vientiane Women and Youth Development Health Center, Luang Prabang Provincial Health Department, Lao Friendship Hospital, Vientiane Renewable Energy Center, and other places. Mrs. Phornvan said, based on the Sustainable Development Goals and Laos' ambition to graduation from the list of least developed countries, the government is placing a greater emphasis on human resource development. This has been incorporated into the ninth five-year National Socio-Economic Development Plan for 2021 to 2025. The Australian Volunteers Program is one of the great supports to improve the capacity of government staff and is in line with our National Development Program.
Representatives from wide ministries.
Mr. Kelly said, we are especially proud of the Australian Volunteer Program's contribution to Laos socioeconomic development and to enhancing the bilateral relationship and our people-to-people links. Representatives of the Ministries of Foreign Affairs, Home Affairs, Industry and Commerce, Education and Sports, Health, Agriculture and Forestry, Labor and Social Welfare, and other officials representing Laos and Australia witnessed the signing.